Okay, so today let's look at how to make a flip name using Autodesk Fusion. So I have this software called Autodesk Fusion. Um, I have a free trial and it literally ends tomorrow. It ends in one day. And this is how I made all my flip name letters. I just do them separately rather than put it all in one project. The whole name, I like to do them separately. I'll show you what I mean. Each letter by itself. So let's start with go file and then hit new. When you hit new, it asks what do you want to design. You say part design, the first one, and then you create new. When you create new, you get the screen and you click create a sketch and it shows up this. Go to the front and you're in the front. Now you click on that and then the create menu changes. Now you go to text and then you click on exactly that center and then pick 4 squares to make a 2-inch letter. Okay, so you're making 1, 2, 3, 4 and 4 by 4 across. Okay, and click and click. Then it tells you, gives you this sample text, and that's where you put your letter K. Pick U Gothic, pick bold. Bold is better. Make it 2-inch here, height. These are all default settings because I've been using the software to do the exact same thing. You don't need to do character spacing because you're not doing a whole name, you're only doing it by letter. And then you click these alignments, corner alignments, and click OK. So now you have the letter K. And then you go up here, click Finish Sketch, and your letter K is on the board. Now what you do is you kind of tilt it by pulling this box to show like a semi right top front K. Then you go back to the main menu, click on Extrude, and then you select your object. You get this arrow, you pull that arrow back to 1.5 inches, 1.5 inches, and click OK. So now you have the letter K. Now you can move this around. You can see the letter K. Move to the left. And so click on left. And now your K is facing this way. Now you go back to create and create a sketch again. Now you click on the sketch. Then the create menu changes. You go back to pick text and you click the exact same spots. So 2-inch height and about 1.5 inch width, right? And you click like that. Your sample text shows up. Now put your letter in there, B. I'm just picking letters, random. Pick U Gothic, should already be in your default. 2-inch height is already there. All the other defaults are there. You don't need to worry about this. And just say OK. And then go click Finish Sketch. Now sketch is over. Now you flip it like that, turn it like that, not flip. And you can see the B is imprinted on the side of K, right? Starting from your, I think this is y-axis. Okay, now you hit extrude again, and then you select the B. The arrow shows up. Go back 1.5, which is exactly how big that K is. Stop. And here's the critical part. The operation, you gotta click intersect and click OK. And that's it. So now you can see, you can click on the hand to just see your work. You see your work. It's B on one side and it's K on the other side. It's reverse K on this side, but B, K. So now you go and save as. File, save as, I just save as letter K into my folder. It's saved. Okay, you see that? I've saved it as the letter K. Now you X out. Now what you want to do is, this is your project. So what do you want to do? Do you want to make, do you want to export this, right? To your file. I forgot how to do this. Let me see. Yeah, just say open on the web, or is it share? Share, sorry. Yeah, here's where you share. Share the latest change with anyone using this link. Allow item to be downloaded. So here's a link given to you now. So you hit copy on that link. Now you go to the web. And then in the web, we're gonna type that link. And it should pull up your letter. See, it goes to the Autodesk Fusion website. And it's showing you your letter K. So you can see your letter K, and your letter B. Now what you do is you download. The best you want to do is to download an STL file. So you download the file. It says type your email. So I usually type my email, and then I hit send. So then it has already sent you the email. We'll go to Yahoo email. And it should show up here. Or maybe too soon. Let me hit OK. Go back to the email. And there's your email. So then it allows you to, k.stl is ready to be downloaded. So you download that file, and boom, your file's downloaded. So if you go into your downloads folder, the file is downloaded. So in order for you to install Fusion, you got to go to Autodesk Fusion website and download this Fusion Client Downloader. It's an application, and then it installs. And basically you have a free version for about 30 days. All right. Hope this helped. It's a pretty neat software. And this is how you make a flip name. And you can just print it out on your 3D printer. Thank you.